guys, it's Bailey and I'm here with my brother Noah and his girlfriend Reagan today, and we thought it would be really fun to do a like trying to make TikTok foods video. I know this like trend has been going around for a while and I have wanted to do it for a while because you guys have been requesting it, but I never got around to it. So we finally went to the store and we got a ton of like stuff. First one that we're gonna be doing, we're gonna kind of go in like the order of the day, I guess. So we have like breakfast type foods and then like lunch and like so on. We're gonna start with coffee. Okay, so we had some difficulties because both of my camera batteries were dying. We took a little breather. So the first TikTok food that we're going to be making is the whipped coffee, which I'm sure you guys have seen. Here is what it is supposed to look like.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly.
Oh, this is so small.
Well, here, measure this to do 1 tablespoon. Is it really that fucking hard to grab a mug?
Is this big enough?
Yes. And all you need. How much water? 2 tablespoons.
Got it.
Okay, so for this one,
wait, this is.
Oh my! Okay, we just heated up 2 tablespoons of water, and now you put 2 of those on the hot water and 2 of the sugar. I mean 3.
Oh my god.
If you guys have seen people try this, a lot of times they struggle because like it takes a while to actually get the coffee to like be that whipped consistency. But instead of using like a handheld whisk, we're gonna use this milk frother that I have. Essentially the same thing, but it's electric and a lot faster probably. The hot water and the sugar and the coffee are in the mug. I'm gonna froth it. Whoa, why did it change color? Did that happen in the video? So it's like thick now. We have a mason jar of milk and ice. So it looks like this and you're supposed to just go like this. Oh.
Oh, that looks so weird.
I don't like this. So then you mix it.
Oh. A little too much.
This is what the coffee looks like. Oh, that's actually really good. That's really good. Get your own straw.
Can I use this one? That's pretty good.
You literally hate coffee.
But that's pretty good. Okay, so the next one that we're making, I found it was like a strawberry Nutella French toast roll-up thing, like a breakfast food.
In those Gucci slides, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the
Look at me, just packing the kids' lunch.
Can I do it now?
No, I gotta fit. This is terrible. I want a redemption. Why did you just say that? I'm gonna drink the rest of this so I have energy because I feel like a freaking slug. What's a slug? A slug?
You don't know what a slug is?
Like a snail? Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
No!
Find her beauty goes much deeper.
So I'm doing absolutely nothing at this point. These are so slippery. Wait till they're golden brown. No. Ew. You got that yum.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this for a second. Oh no, it fell off.
Say that they're done.
They're done.
These are the finished
Here, look at this.
little rolls. This is mine. Okay, come on everybody. Oh, it's whipping. Ah! Yeah, pretty good. We're gonna clean up really quick and then we're gonna move on to the next one, which is my turn now to show you it.
Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's.
While my battery was charging again because it's still dead, I made the pancake mix and I just literally cut what this box calls for. I cut it into thirds because like we don't need that much mix for this. Say when. So I have the mix in the bag, and then you're supposed to like put it all to the corner and then cut a little tiny corner. Oh God. It's so runny. This is really runny, so it's hard to like make circles. So our first batch clearly
could have been better, but I mean some of them are cute little guys.
What do you want to try? Should we save like the circle ones for the good batch?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is much better. My tip for you if you're gonna do this, make sure your pancake mix is like way thicker than you normally would have it, because then it will like be able to come out of the bag.
She's a Mona Lisa.
You know what this reminds me of? Like making macarons.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Oh, you're saying one flipped into the camera.
That looks like a nipple.
You look like a nipple.
Ah!
You see her walking down the boulevard.
This is how it turned out to be. Some people put like milk in it. Like that doesn't sound appetizing to me. It's kind of nice though, like.
Really good pancakes.
Oh my God, just like a normal pancake, but small.
Honestly though, just kind of a lot of work.
Yeah, that was
But
way
I feel
more
like
work.
you could
And
definitely.
you could just make 2 pancakes.
I feel like you definitely would get better and it would be easier. No, why is your hair in here?
Bum 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 bum. Okay, we're making mac and cheese in a mug.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty.
So you need 1 cup of noodles. Really good job there.
Perfect.
1 cup of. And then you cook this first. Okay, 1 cup any type of noodle, 1 cup water.
And then I think they say pinch of salt. Oh, maybe not. I thought they
And
did.
then for 4.5 minutes. Jesus.
That's gonna blow. No, that's good. It's not supposed to be full. Mac and cheese.
Yes, I don't think we did it right.
I don't think so either.
Maybe just like put it back in with like more liquid.
Okay, this is what it looks like now that we put the cheese and the milk in it.
Oh, that looks good. I like it.
That's what it looks like. We had to cook it in the microwave. We had to cook it in the microwave for a total of like 80 minutes.
Gotcha.
So it's just definitely like radiation poisoning in there, but no biggie.
Taste, definitely good. Texture, not good. Noodles, not cooked.
The noodles are still pretty hard. So for this one, we're actually gonna double the recipe because we all wanna like have. Big like Red Bull that we have. So we're starting with 8 tablespoons of white flour in here, which is about a half a cup. So now we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder to the flour.
Baking powder.
1/16. Yeah, 1/16 of baking
Perfect.
soda.
It's coming.
All right, baking soda. I got baking soda.
1/8 teaspoon of salt.
And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Oh, but I need 2 tablespoons because we're doubling it, right?
Yeah, and 6 tablespoons of milk. Oh, I love myself.
I'm literally
so shaky.
So the next step, it says marinara sauce. We just got pizza sauce because I think that's just like the same thing.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Deal.
Mini pepperonis. Pepperoni minis.
70 to 80 seconds, that's it.
Well, ours are gonna be like probably a little.
Oh yeah, we should put it in for
Not
like,
quite double, but like.
put it in for just 1 minute and 30.
I wonder if they want any pepperonis over there.
What are you? Oh!
There's so much pepperoni on the ground over there.
We could have just ordered pizza.
No, that's oh my gosh. I
Should we
think
just
it
do
worked.
A little tab. Here, should we take a?
It's supposed to be like doughy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Here,
How
I'm
did
gonna take
it
a
rise?
paper
There's
towel
not
to
even
all
yeast
that
in
grease.
it.
Wow.
Oh, it's falling.
no.
Oh, ow.
Oh my god, that like around the crust like area is so good.
Kind of looks like lasagna.
I just ate that cheese string.
It's so good.
Why?
That's so good. I would totally make this again.
Oh my god, why do I look like that? Okay guys, so they're still eating the rest of the little pizza thing, but I'm gonna wrap up this video now because I already know it's about to take me literally 6.5 months to edit because we filmed for like 3 straight hours and I have like footage of like the entire thing and it's gonna like be cut down probably to like 11 minutes. Follow our Instagrams. I just got a new Instagram handle. It's just Bailey Dedrick now. So that's exciting. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more from me and turn your post notifications on. Sometimes, I didn't know this, but you can turn your post notifications on and then not even get notifications because in your settings, YouTube notifications are turned off. So make sure if you actually want to get notifications from me and other people that you watch that you have your actual settings turned on to notifications for YouTube. Okay, bye. Ow! Ow! Ow!